What's up guys, it's me Eric B and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be adding some throttle spacers here to the throttle in the Panigale V2. As you can see, there's some play here in the throttle, and most of the Ducatis are pretty notorious for this, and a lot of people end up going with some spacers to fix that problem. So as you can see here, we have some Ducati spacers. Comes with a nice installation guide, and then here are your spacers and then the little bit that you need in order to get off that right there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver to get these two black screws off, and then for the two silver screws, you get that bit that comes in the package, and then you can use whatever you need in order to connect to that. I'm just using this little ratchet that I have, and then I'll be able to get that off. All right, that comes right off, that piece right there, and then all you gotta do is go ahead and disconnect these two so you can pull this back further to get to the little knobs on the inside where the spacers are gonna go. All right, so removing those two silver screws will allow you to pull this back like that, because this portion right here is what you gotta get to for the spacer, and you can't get to it if this is in the way. All right, so first we're gonna take the small one and we're gonna go ahead and put it over this one right here. This one's pretty easy to do because it's pretty open. And then you may need to get like a little screwdriver or something to kind of help you press it on there. Actually, I got it just fine. Just like that. All right, and then for the bigger spacer, we're just gonna go on this one right there. So you have to kind of slide this stuff out of the way here, get it down in there. You may need something to assist you. Actually, she's going on there pretty easily. Let's see here. All right, so we got it. So I just had to use the tip of this to kind of seat it all the way onto there, and then just kind of get that back on there like that. And there you have it. Super easy. All right, and that's it. We got the top one on, and we got the one on the bottom on. And all we need to do now is go ahead and get it back together and then test it out. All right, when you're putting this piece back on, there is a little nipple that's sticking out right there that's got to line up right there on the handlebar. You'll see it when you put it on there. So just line it up. Make sure it goes inside of there like that. And get your screws in. All right, time to test it out. Moment of truth here. And we are good. No slack or anything. Does not move at all. That is perfect. So that is by far the easiest and cheapest mod that you can do for your Ducati when it comes to the throttle. Like, that fixed it very easy. So highly recommend it. All right guys, and that's it. So most of the Ducatis are kind of prone to having that loose throttle, and the 2025 Panigale V2 is also no stranger to that. And I liked how that fixed that up quite nicely. By far the easiest and cheapest thing that you can do when it comes to your throttle tube. Shout out to Moto Million. If you're looking to pick one up for your bike, definitely head over there. I will leave a link down in the description below. And other than that guys, we will see you in the next one.